Hello everybody. Now, I'm posting this video because I can do a noise with my mouth, and I've never seen anybody else be able to do it, and I want to know if anyone else can do it. So I'm going to do the noise in a second. And can I ask you if you can do this, or if you think you can do this? Can you post a video response to this? So I'll do the noise now. Now, it's with my teeth, right? So watch carefully. I'll do it a bit slower. Yeah, so that's the noise, and I've never seen anybody else do it, and I just want to know if anyone can do it, if anybody can do it, and if you can, please post a video response. Thanks.